If you have been using uBlock Origin, you might have noticed that there is a newer version in the Chrome Web Store, uBlock Origin Lite. But what exactly is it? Is it better or worse than the original? In this video, I will show you exactly how to install uBlock Origin Lite, explain the real differences between Lite and uBlock Origin full version. Please make sure you stick around until the end for the bonus tip. So let's get started. Now let's start by installing uBlock Origin Lite for our Chrome browser. Just go to Chrome Web Store and make sure you are downloading or installing the correct uBlock Origin Lite offered by Raymond Hill. Just go and add it to your Google Chrome browser. Once uBlock Origin Lite will be downloaded, this will be automatically get installed to your Google Chrome browser. Now that uBlock Lite is installed, let's go ahead and see how it actually compares to original uBlock Origin. First, let's open the settings for the full version. You will notice advanced tab like My Filters, My Rule, and Cosmetic Filtering option. This gives you fine control over what's blocked and even allow custom blocking rules. Now let's open the setting from uBlock Origin Lite. Here, the layout is simple. No My Filters, no My Rules tab, fewer toggles and less customization. Lite focuses on using a preset rule set that you can expand slightly, but it doesn't allow deep customization like full version. Another big difference is Lite is MV3 based and fully declarative, meaning that the browser itself handles the blocking without needing a permanent background processes. This makes it lighter on a memory and CPU usage, but also means it can do certain advanced blocking tasks like the full version can. So in short, the full version is more powerful and flexible while Lite is lighter and simpler. Now before we wrap up, here is the bonus tip. If you try to searching for uBlock Origin in the Chrome Web Store, you will find a bunch of fake copies. If you want the full version of uBlock Origin on your Chrome browser, please follow the method I showed in my recent video. I will link it in the description and the end screen so you can watch it next. So that's it. uBlock Origin Lite installed and compared. If this helped, drop a like and let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.